A quick update on XCN here. So XCN, we're still holding up. We'll get into the smaller time frame in just a moment, but just wanted to go over this once again. The volume profile here on the macro picture of things. You can see we came up and blew through this volume area here. So next man up is the volume area up here. You can see this is where all this price action took place. So I did draw two red lines here. So the next leg up, we do have the 786 at 5.5 pennies to go through. So that would get us another little spike up of about 78-79% here. But if we can get through that, then the next volume area, which I've been saying is probably going to get tagged here, anywhere from 8 cents for 157% move up to about a 216% move up to 10 cents here. So I do think XCN, once it starts to run again, is going to end up hitting those levels there. So with all the news coming out, all the catalysts coming out, the Binance listing possible, the new white paper coming out, I think on Monday, we should have some new volume come in, new buyers come in, and people start to pile into this thing. So let me move the VRVP off of the screen here. Let's go down to the 4-hour candles where we've been watching this here. Now, we're not going to be bearish on it right now because it is still technically holding up. So looking on the 4-hour here, which we go from the low to the high here, we're still trying to maintain this 382 area at about 32. Let's get this as tight as we can. So if we can get back over pretty much 33 here, 33 pennies there. If we can hold this level, we're looking good here. This thing overall is holding up. If you just look at the overall chart, higher highs and higher lows here. So it does not look bad. Regarding the fact about the bearishness, this is where the dude came out and pretty much said bad things about XCN, caused this crash here. So we're going to ignore this here, and we're just going to be bullish on XCN here. So if it ends up falling down, you may get one last chance to buy in here. So if we stay below 3.2 at the 382 here, we do have the 0.5, but there's a good likely chance that the price comes down to the 618 here at 2.5, and maybe you get a good chance to buy in here before it goes up, because if we notice in the past, every time it spikes down, it goes immediately pretty much back up. So if we get a spike down to the 618 at 2.5, 2.5 pennies, then that could be a good opportunity to get in here. Any lower than the 786 at 2.1, then we're going to go down further than we anticipate here. But like I said, if it dips, so be it. We'll take the dip here. And as for this thing running up, we're looking for a move, a decent little run. Once we break over the 236 at 3.8, get this thing to fly up here to this 8 to 10 cent range, hit this next volume area, and then maybe at that point we consolidate over the 786 for a little bit, before we go back up at that 5.5 pennies. So what are your thoughts on XCN? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.